Welcome guys, this is Claudette. Thanks for tuning into my creative corner. Today's quick tip will be featuring the stitch nested labels. These labels come with 9 pieces. They also have a coordinating die set called Free as a Bird. They also comes with a designer series paper which would be retiring on June 2nd. My previous video featured that designer series paper if you want to hop on over there and check that out. I created a card using that set, and this is a little bit of the designer series paper that I hand cut out, and this is the stitch label right here. So I got this design off of Pinterest, and I'm not sure, don't remember who the author was to give her credit, but I think this is pretty nice, simple, and elegant. Alright, so let's get creating. So we're going to be creating a different shape with these stitched and nested labels. So you saw the single layer label that it created. You could also stack these up with different contrasting colors. So we're going to create a pocket using these dies. So I already have one already cut out here, so I'm not sure if you could see the stitch work on this. So that's the largest of the dies. So we're going to go ahead and put this in our die cutting machine. In this instance, I'm using my Big Shot. You're going to take that same label and you're going to put it right across here to the top. It depends on how large you want your pocket to be. We're going to take a sticky note and just go ahead and help us secure this die down so it doesn't shift. And we're going to go ahead and sandwich our plate, and we're going to go ahead and run that through the Big Shot. So there you have the 2 halves. So can you see the stitch work? So you have the stitch work came out on this half, and then you have the stitch work all around this half too as well. So and then you're going to just turn this piece upside down, and then you have your pocket, and you add your button, and you could design it how you would like. So I had to recreate one off camera. I have the button on this one. So you could add this to a card, or you could add it to your scrapbook layout. And you could add something like this to it, and that would be cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do a banner cutout. So if you don't have a banner punch to create those tips, or you just want it with those stitching around, I already went ahead and cut one out. So we're gonna take that same size label that I had. We're going to put it down here to the edge. We're going to take a sticky note to secure that in place. And then we're going to run it through our die cutting machine once again. Okay, so that edge, you may have that tip like this, but all you do is you take your little snips and cut that off. So you have edging all the way throughout on that. So that's it. Utilize your punches and your dies and create other stuff, shapes you think outside the box. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also the bell icon, if you would hit that, that would notify you of when I upload new videos. Thank you guys for checking in. Until next time, this is Claudette. Happy stamping.